So perhaps you've taken a quiz or two at the Dev Gym and now you want to tackle workouts. Excellent idea. Workouts are really at the heart of the Dev Gym. The basic idea behind a workout is instead of taking an individual quiz or two, you get to take multiple quizzes together on a similar topic, usually prefaced by a video or documentation or article from a blog that give you information about a particular topic. Now, when you first come to the workouts page, you might find that there's nothing for your workouts. Oh my gosh. What's a developer to do? Well, there are a few things you can do. First of all, as you see right here, you can build your own custom workout. Let's do that first. So I've got an hour to spare and I want to get better about PL SQL performance. I could, of course, pick a different domain, but let's stick with PL SQL. Performance, and I'd like to make it an hour long. And I don't want to go any bigger than intermediate, any harder than intermediate. So I set my criteria, click Add to my workouts, and it creates a workout for me. So as you can see, it found a fair number of quizzes, about 10 quizzes. It takes about 57 minutes, so just under an hour. And now I can dive right in. So now when I click on a quiz, here's a quiz for all. Notice it shows me I have a little list of all my different questions. I can move around very easily. Again, I read my question, make my choices, and then I can move with next and previous buttons. Or I can also say, no, I just want to zoom over to question 6. You take your pick. And you can finish them all right now if you want to. You might say, wow, this is harder than I thought. It's going to take me more time than I thought. Let's save and back. And it takes me back to the workout. And as you can see, it marked down that I've finished a couple of them. Notice it doesn't show me my grade. I'll see the grades on my individual quizzes when I finish the whole thing. In the meantime, I can come back at any point later on and continue work on this workout. So that's one way to get a workout in my list of your workouts. Now, there are also predefined workouts that are shared with everybody. So if you come down to the available workout section, you'll see a number of workouts here and you'll see more and more as time goes by. So I can click on any of these, let's say logging and re-raising exceptions. I can review how much time it looks like it'll take, read about the workout. This one is composed of a blog post, a video, and a couple of quizzes. And then I can say, that looks great. Let's take the workout. And at this point, I can start moving down through my different exercises. Now for things like blog posts and content from outside the site, when you click on the link, it'll open up a separate tab, and then you can take a look at that. In this case, it's a playlist for my 9 different videos on 9 good to knows for PL SQL error management. Then I can watch one of the videos itself. So I click on that link, and it'll open up the YouTube video right inside the Dev Gym. So I can watch the video here. When I'm done, I can specify how much time I spend watching. I can rate the video. I can simply say return to workout, and that'll use whatever values I've set or the defaults to say that, okay, I've watched the video, it's completed. Took 5 minutes or whatever you decide to put in there and your rating. And then I can move on to the quizzes. And again, I can move between my multiple quizzes for my workout right on the same page, make my choices. And in this case, let's take a look. When I answer this one, go to the next one, read and answer this one. I can then submit my answers, or I can say save and back. If I go back, it'll now show that, well, almost everything's done. Let's mark this playlist as done as well. And now notice I can submit the answers directly from this page, or I can go back into any of the quizzes and submit. So I'm going to submit the answers. And now I'm done. So my grade is 43% overall. You can see how I did over here, 60% and 25%. My 100% completion and so on. So I finished my workout. Cool. I go back to your workouts. Now notice that workout doesn't show up here because it's completed. If I click on past workouts, I can see the ones I've done right there. This one is completed. This one is still being taken, so I can even see my active workouts here as well. So I can create a custom workout. I can choose from available workouts. In addition, there are daily workouts. So we offer the ability to request daily workouts, single quiz workouts on your choice of technology. So let's say that every day I want to take a new quiz on PL SQL and database design. So I simply click to turn them on, and I can click again to turn them off. And at this point, I can simply wait for tomorrow, and I'll see new workouts in my list. I'll get an email with the links to the workouts. But I can also say, you know what, I want to get started right now. add the dailies now. And there they are. Here are my 2 daily workouts for October 16th. By the way, it's really true. It's just for today. So when this day is over, if you haven't taken the workout, it's dismissed and you'll see new ones for October 17th or whatever the date will be. And if I click on that workout, it takes me directly to the question. I can make my answers and it shows me how I did. Now, if I go back to workouts, notice my daily workout is here. It's marked as finished. So you can choose from building a custom workout, available workouts, and daily workouts, and put together a nice little workload for yourself to get yourself trained up on your topics of choice and your technologies of choice. Thanks for joining me, and please do try a workout at the Oracle Dev Gym.